Hey yo, what is up? So yesterday I was just walking home and then I saw on the sidewalk a USB floppy drive with like a floppy next to it. So yeah, and I do have it and there it is. And see, this thing is in pretty much perfect condition. uh Other than a scratch right about here, this thing is in pretty much perfect condition and yes, it does work. Uh, in fact, I actually first plugged this into my phone, and then I actually formatted it from my phone first so that I can actually see if it actually works. And oh man, I was surprised to actually see it work when I first got this thing off like the sidewalk for free. And then I formatted it, but it was like, but for some reason Android formatted it as like 400 like kilobyte thing. Although this floppy disk was 1.4 megabytes that actually that I actually found with it. So if I just like I'll put some screenshots and like from my phone to actually show like how it actually looked like on my phone, at least how it was recognized after formatting. So yeah, and it does actually work. Let me just plug it into the computer. So here we have this thing and this thing. And there it is. And I did put some stuff on it, as well as a file because I was a little bored. And yeah, I think this was actually quite fun. So yeah, there it is. So yeah, that's all I want to share. And yes, this is actually a 1.4 megabyte floppy disk. So yeah, anyway, that's all I want to share. And hope you'll have a nice day. And well, uh, bye bye, I guess, or bye or whatever. Just bye.